Today we are going to see how to change language on Google Chrome. On your computer, open Chrome browser. At the top right corner, you can see three dot options. Click here. At the bottom, click Setting. Here you will find Advanced options. Click here. Then click Languages. You can change languages from here. Click here. Add languages. You can select different type of languages which you want. After selecting language, then add. Your language will be added. Then click here and click Display Google Chrome in this language. Then click Relaunch. Your Chrome language will be changed. If you find this video helpful, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.